What's up, y'all? Watch me do this cute little pixie cut. I wanted one so bad, bitch. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do me a quick weave and just go for what I know. So I did record like the first part, but for some reason the camera was not working right and I was not taking it out and doing it over, okay? So I just laid it like a basic 27 piece. And when I got to the front, like all the hair that I used was just 27 piece. I didn't add like regular human hair or none of that. I used the longest length for the top, and when I did the top, I just laid it flat because I wanted the curls to kind of like curl down. Normally when I do a 27 piece, I would flip, like you see how I put that track right there, not that one but the one before that. I would like flip it so it can have like some flips to it. I probably should have did that, but for this style I just wanted the curls to come down a little bit more. So once I had all of the hair glued down, I kind of sectioned off the top part that I would be curling forward, and then I trimmed the sides down to give it like a more even cut look, like, you know, just to make it look like neater. So I just cut it down and I just, you know, played with it to see how it looked. And I added the mousse, y'all. I really wanted to like try to get the finger wave look, but baby, I'm not a hairstylist, okay? So I tried. Maybe I need like a different kind of mousse. I don't know, y'all. I need to take a class for that or like watch a good YouTube tutorial. So I tried to do it and I sat under the dryer, but I couldn't really get the waves like I wanted it, but I was able to get like the front looking a little cute. So once I dried fully, I just blow dried the top a little bit more just to give it like some more, I guess, like volume like y'all stylists be doing. So I did that. You know, she was coming together. You know, I was like, we getting there. I was kind of scared, but we getting there. But once I started adding them curls to like the sides and the back, baby, she was coming together. I was like, oh bitch, we ready to fucking snatch a couple necks with this look, okay? So now I'm on the front, and again with the top curls I just curled them forward, and I did notice that, you know, it was kind of like blah, so I did kind of flip some of my curls back. I don't think you guys can see it here, but I did flip some of the curls back on the top just to give it like more volume and to make it look better. And look how cute this is, y'all. When I say I love this, and I threw in like the brown contacts, baby, oh my god, like this look was like everything. Now it did itch, but baby, she looked good. I'm thinking about doing it in another color. What do you guys think? Like I was thinking maybe like a red or like a honey blonde, but I don't know, y'all, but I really liked it. It was so cute.